So let's have a look at how you can make a thumbnail for YouTube, and it is so simple to do. Today I'm going to do a quick search in Canva, YouTube thumbnail, and the topic's going to be speaking, because if you can add a topic in, it brings back a different range of thumbnails that you can choose from. And the great thing about having so many templates is that you really don't need to be a designer. You just need to log in, type something in, see what comes up, and then edit it to fit. So here's one here. Let's use this one. 5 speech mistakes, public speaking tips. Comes up, customize this template. Click. Pretty simple, isn't it? And here we go. So we've got a person here. We've got a special episode, 5 speech mistakes, and public speaker tips. So let's just edit that a bit. That speakers make. There we go. 5 speech mistakes that speakers make. And 5 is a boring number. I like 7. Color's really not me. Click on the color. Come up the top to your color codes. You can do it with your own set colors. So these are my colors that I use. So I'm going to make it gold, and I'm going to make that gold as well. And then I'm going to come down to this one. I'm going to make that one gold. Now you notice that I didn't need to go up the top each time. I just clicked on each one. Once this palette's open, you can actually just keep choosing from it. So that's pretty cool. And I would like to say make the 7 change. Again, if I go to my colors, I can make that the lighter yellow so it stands out, looks a little different to this sort of gold. I should say lighter gold, hey. Now, this is not me. Lovely as the photo is, it's absolutely useless. So I'm just going to click on it and then press the delete key on my keyboard. Now I need a photo of me, so I have in my upload section over on the sidebar here, I've uploaded some photos of me speaking. So let's just take this one and drop it in. Obviously caught with my mouth open, as usual when you're speaking. Go up to edit photo, background remover. Now this is so powerful and so simple. There I am. Now I'm going to grab the handle and pull it in. Grab this handle, pull it in. Going to set this up down the bottom here so that I'm cut off at the waist like I should be. And then I'm going to enlarge that. And obviously I'm now facing the wrong way, because like any ad, you really should be pointing towards or looking at the words. So if I go up to flip up the top here, horizontal, yeah, okay, I don't look quite the same because my mouth is changed on one side to, say, someone who has a normal smile, but it's nice and clear that I'm looking more towards that way. Now I can enlarge that a bit more so it takes up a bit more room and bring it down a bit. Just watching a little bit of blurring on the hand here because I was moving my hand in the original photo, but this hand was still, so it's more clear. And now it's done. Now I can change this, learn how, and that's it. Very simple, isn't it? Now, if I look at this, notice it says that speakers make. It's kind of sitting there. I don't really like that. I'm just going to bring it down a bit, just so it's a bit clearer. So now I have a thumbnail for 7 speech mistakes that speakers make, and I can download that. So all I need to do is go to share, download. I want a PNG because it's a thumbnail for YouTube, so I want it to be as clear as possible and as large a file as possible so I can upload it and get a crystal. Go to download. Going to give it a name, 7 speech, whoops, a bit of a spelling mistake there, speech mistakes, thumb, because I really want to know that that's a thumbnail when I see it. Here it is in my folder. Save it and it's done. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a thumbnail. Very simple. Switch yourself in, change the wording, use the template, save heaps of time. See you in my next tutorial.